Hey guys, today we are going to be playing Subway Surfers. So yeah, this game is very popular. I'm not that big of a fan though. I'm just like playing this because people really like this game. And I kind of want to try it. See if I like it. Kind of. Ugh, come on. Save me. Save me. Let's go. Oop. I thought I just died right there. Oh, come on. I need that F. I need the F. To get the surf. Sorry, you might hear my birds in the background. Because they chirp lots. They chirp a lot. Let's go. Oh, come on. Why do I keep dying? I'm bad at this game. Hey, look at the dog. Dang. Like how he's kind of like sticking to the ground. I like the sound effects. Let's go. Oh, I almost died right there. Well, I guess it's not really a die. It's kind of like a knockout. You kind of get like knocked out, kind of. But then you come back to life. How did I just get dizzy there? I'm hoping to beat my high score. Ooh, I'm scared. Nope, I'm not scared. I'm not scared actually. I just don't want to be too cocky about this. I'm gonna be confident, but not too confident, because sometimes when you're too confident, you kind of mess up. Let's go! Jetpack! I can't really control this. It's kind of fast for my eyes. Oh, I thought that was a dead end right there. Dead end. Ooh, let's go. Ooh. Oh, sorry. No. Wait, I got one key. Let's go. I think I beat my high score. I'm not sure. I hope I beat my high score. Double jump. I can double jump? Yeah, I can double jump. This is lit. Never mind, it's not lit. I'm gonna watch an ad real quick. I don't know why that's so funny to me. Starting in. Alright. The cop put me down, I guess. Guess it's why they call it Subway Surfers, because you're surfing. Heh. Let's go. I hope I beat my score. Oh, I'm scared. Ooh. I thought I just got knocked out right there. Let's go. Yes, give me it. Yeah, please. Let's go. Let's go. 2x speed. Jeez, I'm going fast. Very fast, actually. Almost died right there. I'm on a highway, driving. And the board. Oh, I'm so happy that gave me a shield. I feel like I'm going faster now. I feel like every second that is longer, like it kind of like goes faster. So I'm watching an ad. Let's be cops 3D. What? 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 Luna powered by Luna. Alright. Not check his speed at 36. Pull over, fine. Nice catch. I'm gonna driving over the speed limit. No, I'm gonna fine. Good job. I don't think I'd arrest him. It seems too far. I'm dead. But yeah, I'm not watching another ad. I just want to see my high score. I want to see my high score. Seriously, that wasn't a high score? Saying I went... Okay, why am I going slow? No, I want to be up in the air still. Airward. I kind of like how when you get like a high score, he's kind of like running and never stop. If you like never stop, then he'll kind of keep running and it's kind of funny. But yeah. After this, I'll do one more round. No, it can't be that long of a video, no. 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 Oh my. Oh, I guess it's the last round. I'll do good though. I'll do good. I didn't know you couldn't go under there. Why would there be a crouch space if you can't go under there? You know? No. Do it like a pro. Oh, I almost got knocked out right there. 2x, please. I feel like I'm doing good. No. I'll do one more round. Actually, yeah, I'll do one more round. Why not? I like the music. It's actually pretty good. Oh, this game isn't so bad. This game isn't so bad. Bro, imagine a person loved Subway Surfers so much that they actually like traded like their like Xbox for it. Oh, that'd be insane, bro. But you can't really change your Xbox for Subway Surfers because you know it's not a real game. It's not a real game. Oh gosh, I thought I got up right there. I wanted to go on top of the vehicle. Then I'm on top of it. Oh. That was a clutch. I mean, those coins. Those coins. Let's go. Let's go. Give me those coins. Give me those coins. Oh, give me my dishes. It's just a meme. It's just a meme. Rainbow. What's that rainbow for? I don't. Oh, I died. See you guys.